Good morning, class. Welcome to day 3 of your 2-point perspective unit. This video will discuss today's task list and assignments that need to be completed. So your learning goal for today is to create a complex drawing by using linear 2-point perspective rules. So we're just going to continue our final projects that we started last class and continue structuring our buildings and even adding details in and around them that follow the same rules of linear perspective. Your essential question is, how does 1 and 2-point linear perspective help the viewer better understand the dynamics of various spaces? And the answer to that question we're going to discuss today essentially is depth. Depth is the distance from near to far, and 1 and 2-point perspective create a sense of depth in the viewer. They just create it from two different viewpoints, but using depth is what stops a drawing from being flat and two-dimensional. Depth is what makes it look to be three-dimensional and make us feel like we can enter that work or see that that perspective that's seen in our everyday lives. So getting more into depth, once you are done watching this video, you're going to watch the depth ET video. The ET stands for entrance ticket. So once you're done watching the entrance ticket video, please complete your entrance ticket after the fact, and then answer the questions: what is depth and why is depth important to the viewer's understanding of space? Again, both of your answers are in this depth video. Please watch that. And lastly, you're just going to spend the rest of your class just continuing your final project and then submitting a photo of your progress to the day 3 student progress. Again, please make sure you're using a ruler for every line. Make sure you are just continuing to add details and features to your artwork. And around all the spaces of your artwork. Your main focus should really be trying to fill the space of your paper so that you've immediately grabbed the viewer's attention, and then over the next couple of days you will continue to add little details in and around to just further enhance, to further push the project as far as it can go. But please be trying to fill the space today if you haven't already, and just fine-tuning and cleaning up some lines with your ruler and your pencil. And please make sure that you're pressing your lines lightly. Even though there's a lot of emphasis or discussion about drawing your horizon line and vanishing points lightly, you should also draw your other lines lightly that you're creating, because there's a lot of erasing that goes on in this project, and you want to make sure that your lines aren't still visible after you've erased them, because having a lot of these can definitely affect your craftsmanship for the project itself. Alright, well that's it today, guys. You just have an entrance ticket and continue working on your projects. Please message me if you have any questions. Otherwise, I will see you in the depth video right after this. Alright guys, have a good class, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.